Hey everybody, it's Scott
And Sam.
with Trend Punk Product Reviews. And Sam, I have a question for you.
I have an answer.
If you have a child, what's the one thing you think you need the most?
Duct tape.
Try again.
Batteries?
Batteries!
Because
of
they're toys.
course.
I mean, you know how much I've spent on batteries?
Yes.
It's ridiculous.
Yes. I have a 7-year-old.
I know
You've got some grandchildren.
Yeah, well, yeah, I know.
And you go through batteries like that.
Yeah, I don't live with them, and I still go through batteries.
That's right.
with
How does
them.
that happen? So I'm a pretty responsible consumer. I like to think of myself as
yeah,
one.
okay.
So for batteries, I like to get rechargeables.
Yeah, me too.
But the problem with rechargeables sometimes is that they just don't last very long.
No.
And it takes forever, and they're not very convenient.
I gave up on them.
Well, we actually are going to be looking at a product today that may change the way you think about rechargeables.
Ooh, piece of candy.
All right, so here we go. We've got the Mupoer 3000 AA lithium batteries with charger, as well as the 3600 AA lithium battery with charger as well. So let's open up the 3600 version first. And as you can see, it's nicely packed. It's a beautiful box. Here's the USB-C plug-in for your charger. Here's the manual in case you need that. And here is the charger itself. And it actually feels really nice. It feels sturdy, feels like it was built well. It looks sharp. And if we open it up here, you'll see we've got 8 rechargeable batteries in here. And if you're looking for a good looking battery, this is a good looking battery. Another reason I like these charging boxes is because not only is it a charger, but it's a great storage box for these batteries as well. For me, it's usually I throw them in the junk drawer when I'm done using them or when I'm not using them. This is great. It just stays in the box when I need them. I'll plug them in, or I just pull them out of the box and use them when I need them. Again, it feels great, looks great, and all we need to do with this one now is just charge it in. Here's the USB-C slot to charge that in. But before we go charge that, let's take a look at the 3000 version. And again, just a good looking box. So let's open it up here. Very similar to the 3600 version. And just like the other version, it comes with a USB-C cable to charge your charger, a manual, and this one, because we got the 16 AA version, comes with an extra 8 batteries. And if you have a kid at home, one who has a lot of toys, who takes up a lot of batteries, this is a good idea. And again, the case looks exactly the same. In fact, it may be the exact same case. And once again, looks great inside, feels great, it feels sturdy. The batteries, again, pretty to look at. If there's such a thing as a pretty battery, this is it. So now that we have seen both of these, let's go plug them both in. So once you get that USB-C cable in, you just plug that other side into your USB compatible outlet, and we'll plug the other one in as well. But as you can see here, the LED light flashes green to indicate that it is charging. A steady light will indicate that they are fully charged. So since they are not fully charged yet, we'll let these sit a while. But I should point out, if you're seeing a steady red light, that indicates that the adapter is incompatible, the cables may be damaged, or the temperature is too high or low. And if it's flashing a red light, that would indicate that the battery can't be charged, or the charging is over current, over voltage, or under voltage. So that smart LED display is really important and a great feature on this thing, because other brands of rechargeable batteries don't usually have that feature. And it says that these batteries will charge within 3 hours, but we'll see. So good news is I came back 2 hours later and it was fully charged, all the batteries in one case, and then in the other case, there was only one left. So I went ahead and took my batteries and put them into a remote control car, that's one of my son's toys. And the car takes 4 batteries and the remote control for the car takes 2 AA batteries. So I used 6, and here we are. Thing works. I would say this thing is supercharged, but it's really just bad driving on my part. So there you have it. That is the Mupoer rechargeable AA lithium batteries with charger. We here at Trend Punk highly recommend them. They work, they last, they're not going to break the bank, And especially if you have children who have motorized toys or gadgets, get these batteries. They will absolutely surpass your expectations. 2 thumbs up.